ay ano yung Spanish bread. Parang ang laki-laki. Painitin natin ang ating pandesal ako na Spanish bread. Wow. Oh. Tignan niya guys. Oh. Yan, painitin lang natin yung ating oven and then natuwa ako sa resulta. Ano lang ako ng mukha. One time.
Can I please see?
Hello, wait. You will like it.
Is this your bag? Yes. I will put in the cafe. Big Asian bag, look. Okay. Oh la la!
This is Spanish bread. Look.
It's like pandesal, but Mommy, the oven.
Mainit mga kapatid.
Oh la la! Ah!
This is Spanish bread. We call this Spanish bread.
Philippine bread.
Yes, Philippine bread. Ayaw niya daw sabihin ko na Spanish bread.
So it's Spanish bread. No, it's actually steak and potato. It's actually from Philippines, but they call it Spanish bread. And what happened to your pinky?
I don't know. Sana iba to yung lagi binayara na sa ham. At mainit. Ano pang Spanish bread natin? Oh, sarap ng pagkain ko guys. Perfect. Pero mainit pa anak ha. Keep it short.
I want you to hate.
Kaya lang
The kind of fun.
keep it short. Mainit.
Is that there's something inside?
Yes.
You put something inside?
Mainit pa siya guys. You can dig now.
I need another machine.
Sit down.
That'll be good. Yeah. Let me taste. You tasted Kian?
No.
Mommy said it was hot.
Ila taste it.
Not hot.
So,
No, good.
malambot. Laking palaman niya sa loob.
Let's see this one.
You like it? Nahihiya na tong dalaga ko talaga. Itong...
Good.
You like it? For sure?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
The bread is softer than the pandesal.
Yes. Because it's like this.
That's not Nutella.
Yeah.
This is not Nutella.
No.
What did you put? You put all the same?
It's Spanish is like this.
What did you put? What did you put?
I will not tell you.
No, please tell us. I don't have this.
It's not nice, Yanne, the one inside.
I want to know what's this.
Crunchy?
A little crunch.
I put walnuts.
Okay. And the cream.
And the cream, it's for me only.
But how's this walnut?
We walnut inside. Yan, lasot 10 yan. I put in the school. I-share niya daw sa mga teacher niya.
After.
Okay ba? How many I will give Kian to you in the school?
3, I guess.
3? 3 daw.
I want to give to my math teacher after the test.
You have exam today, yes? Yan, ito ang pabaon ko sa mga bata.
I don't know where was the rest there.
Ten naman ko. Ang ating Spanish bread ay perfect. Palit ako sa inyo, lambot oh. Sobra. Gusto nila. Bigyan daw ni Kian yung teacher mat na. Patikman natin yung driver. Bigay natin. Bigyan natin yung driver ng Spanish bread. Puto mo wait. Don't hide the daba. Sabi niya masarap. Sabi niya masarap. Malambot daw. Malambot talaga siya guys. Yung mga bata gusto nila. Tignan niyo naman kasi pagkita ko sa inyo. Lambot-lambot. Sarap. Nilagyan ko ng vanilla essence yung feeling ko. Kain po tayo. Tikman natin mamaya yung binan ko at saka yung asawa ko. Parang hindi maganda itong idea na kumpul-kumpul sila. Lagay natin dito mas maganda. Next, ensamada. Try natin. Proudly present my Spanish bread. Morning guys, magre-reheat tayo ng Spanish bread para kay Mr. Ano nyo? Ay, pinakita ko na pala kanina. Sabi ni Mr. Panisal daw. Try it.
Miss Frangie,
Miss Kubos Frangie. Why like this you eat? Pinisi-pisi na.
Pandesal.
Walnuts.
No pandesal with nuts in it?
No, it's not pandesalda. We call Spanish bread. Señorita bread. Nice? You don't like? No? The kids, they like it. I introduced new bread from Philippines.
You did it, yeah?
No, I buy in market, huh? Wala, I did it.
Huh?
I make. Who will make lagi? I buy in. Aida, they don't know in Lebanon, Aida. Spanish bread. Yummy?
No, we don't know. We are.
No, this kind of bread is only in Philippines. Spanish bread. Han, it's not baguette, Haida. It's not kubus. Tawa niya. Like it or no? Tell me the truth, so I will not make anymore. Good daw. Of course, good. Curious sila kung ano daw yung nasa loob. Hindi daw masarap. Masarap naman siya.
Masarap.
Masarap daw.
Masarap.
Pero naiba sa hindi lagi pandesal. Samahan niyo ako. Pakainin natin si Mibo. Saan na siya? Andito siya. Hindi ka na, Mibo. Tayo in the garden ka. Follow me. Yala, Pastor. Yan na siya. Sunod yan. Pastor. Here. Yala. Sunod-sunurin na manok. Lika dito. Bilis. Come. Doon na siya. Yala, Mibo. Kanina sabi ko, maglinis ako dito. Wala na akong time. Malalaki na rin, oh. Yung radish natin. Hindi siya makababa dito ko na. Wala. Hi guys! Andito na naman ako sa kusina. Ito yung saluyot kahapon. Kain namin. Ayan. Nagluto ulit ako ng ganito. Ito yung full. Kay Mr. ito, dalawang klase. Paborito ni Mr. ito. Full of protein ito. Full. Tapos potato and magsasalad ako ng cucumber, kamatis, and onion. Busy ako dito. The kids are here.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello, God bless you.
Hello, Daddy.
Saan si Bunso? Nagwapo-gwapo.
What's it?
Hello, my love.
Hello. Hello, Daddy.
Nice haircut.
Messi.
Let's see ya.
Of course, my Miss Joyce.
What is this?
Yan, kain na po tayo. Ready na po ang food. Nanonood po ako ng Tagalog.
So, what did they say about your hair?
They didn't notice, but I told them, Miss, I cut my haircut. I cut my hair.
That's your beard, don't. Beard begins to show.
Huh? Sure.
Yung sabihin boy. Yalapot na ito tayo wilit na. Nagpagupit siya kahapon.
Mommy, I have a project to do.
Oh, again! Ako, kamat project.
She said she has food. And she said next time.
Bibo ko. Bibo! Pakainin natin siya. Ibaong kulto. Saan na siya? Where are you, Bibo? Oh, good. Kain na naman siya. Where have you been? Huh? Ibaon natin ito. Diyan ka lang ta mag-iano ko. Ano? Nalakain na. Oh, tita. Mm. Mhm. Itong manok ko nakakatuwa. Nakakaintindi siya. How are you today? In my hands? Come here. Oh. Dahida, you like this? Oh, nice cut. Gusto niya ng lettuce. How are you? Bravo. Oh my God. Be careful my finger. You will hurt me. Oh, that hurt me, Bo. Oh, yes. They say hi to you. They like you. The kapitbahay. Sabi niya, thank you daw. Oh, I love you, Mabel. Be careful my finger. You will hurt me. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nice. Laki mo na. Yala, it na. Ano kaya ito? Kawitan samot. Dati ko di ulo na ni hansa mga babae. Be careful my finger, Mabel. Oh my God, she like it. Yan. Don't eat your food yan. Don't eat the my way. Come. Nibo. Good girl. Oo. Come. Ta. Kakaintindi siya. Oh. Sabi ko, alika. Sarap? Sarap daw. Kit-kit mo, Nibo. Isa pa. Sarap. Kakaintindi ko manok ko. Halika dito, tito, oh. May malaki, oh. Halika na. Sana, ang dami, oh. Good girl. Good job. Tako-tako nga. Laki-laki mo nga. Kailan kayo nagkaroon ng manok na ganito, guys? Spoiled, parang tao. Gusto mo pa? Meron pa, oh. Halika dito. Come. I said, come. Come. Tahon. Mibo, tahon. Mibo, come. Good job, Mibo. Wow. Pasubo siya. Pasubo. Kaya ka. Ay ka na. Upusin mo to. Bravo. Hindi na kita nahahawakan, Mibo. Uliin kita. Tatangan. Yan lang. Oo. Ari? Come. May balak ako sa'yo. Come here. Para akong balik dito nagkapag-usap sa'yo, ha? Come, Mibo. Yan lang. Gigil ako, gigil eh. Crying pa siya? Ano? Magpalaki ka, laki-laki mo na, oh. Yung manok ko. Try. May manok po ako. Alago ko. Kiss niya daw si mami. Ano? Love. Yala, it's your good. Good girl. Yala, it's here.
My judge is here, and he gave us this. Not only that, not only M&M, he gave us this, and the rest. I did.
هي وقت بتكون هيدا خلص صارت لك.
Hi bro, how are you?
ايوه
Merci la idole.
شور
للولاد.
للولاد هذا دقيقة يلا مضبوطة. عرفت كيف؟
بدك قهوة؟
ايه النسكافيه.
ضوء
أنا فرجيك بريد للبن فلبين كتير طيبين هلا.
ايه ضوئية ضوئية.
يلا. I will give it to you.
عملت سباندسان قبل.
Hindi pa ako nagsuklay. Nag-blower na ako. Hindi pa ako nagsuklay.
عملتي شعرك معي؟
Eh,
مش في ماما تطلعيش فيه بس ماما طول
it's long na my hair. Hindi pa ako nag-comb. يلا.
هيدي شرعيه برو
هاي فضل شيء.
شو هيدا؟
لا لا هيدي وما بشرفك لا تفتح ولا تسكر دوق اهبط تطلع. هي اتس انسايد.
Eh. It's not
دوق
sweet.
دوق 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 دوق.
شو شوكولا؟
خي كل لا مش
حطيهم
حطي هي بدي كلهم كلهم يا زوج.
Sarten.
صحتين خيي.
طيبين؟ عن جد؟
كلهم زيت شيء
شايف when did you make it? When?
Yesterday.
هذا since yesterday still?
In the morning يعني I
اليوم
bake
الصبح.
in the
اليوم
morning.
خبزتهم الصبح ليك العشية كيف بعدها؟
فيهم تمر
لا مش تمر حبيبي. يوس بعدين في secret ingredients. لا أنا
هيدا الخبزة مخبوز الصبح.
ما اعملها يوميا
هاي.
لكم كرواسون
شايف؟ حط لنا نكفة سكر على ظهرها فوق مثل البريوش.
في كتير كمان بانديسال. you did not taste yet the بانديسال eh?
بتعرف هيدي أنا بضيفها بكرة مع النسكافيه الصبح. بضيفها على مدة جمعة وبلش كيسها وأعطيه لي إياها وبيعها.
طيبين؟
أوه.
Sarten. It's called, they call this one señorita.
سينيوريتا por favor
تريد بعد مي عليهم؟
Señorita, por favor. يلا sarten.
ايه غنجون احملوني تشتوني بعد بس قليل
عرفت كيف
Hey,
هي
he
زوزو؟
like my
ضوي ضوي يا
bread.
ضوي
باين المعطرة حدي
ما هون
هي
I
مش باينة
I
حدي
want to see your comment about my bread.
أنا
يعني
بدك
tell
تنزل
the truth.
مع الكومنتس.
Tell the truth. It's طيبين or
You
vegan?
cannot talk
You cannot talk. No, hindi
my
daw
mouth
siya.
is busy
Busy digging. It's very soft يعني eh?
هيدي اسمها دواء
دواء. Medicine daw.
يعني هذا تكون معمولة الساعة 6 الصبح لياخذوا الأولاد معهم لكي بعد العجين.
شو قصة
I did it. I need very soft.
soft.
بعدين معجبني كيف
هلا هي حطت شيء بقى ماشي. هلا اذا يمكن تحط فيها جبنه
هي
يمكن
معجبتها
تحط
كيف
فيها شيء ما بعرف.
لا I put جوش.
something
يعني
sweet
والله
If you want to
جوش
put
يعني
something-
يعني nuts and then my secret ingredient and I will not tell anybody even Johnny.
الفتة شو وضعها
even maybe
فتة
ما بعرف.
maybe my heart I put in that.
اوكي
شو
Yeah,
عجبك؟
والله تاخدي وحدة
في باد.
اكلنا يلا الصبح.
هيدا for you.
Thank
Sarten.
you
Yes. Da, I go to church. Proud ako kasi gusto ni George. Sarap daw. Thank you. I-introduce ko sa kanila ang mga tinapay natin. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Nagustuhan nila yung tinapay natin. Proud ako. Okay, kita-kits po.
Kita-kids!
Kita-kits. Hindi pa ako nakapag,
Kita-kids!
Yala, bye-bye.
Kita-kids!